big fans. Oh, doggies!
Is that a sycamore right there?
Yes, it is.
Quite a few people out there, huh?
Yeah, it's a lovely day. Who wouldn't want to be in a park? It's crazy.
But
That guy, he's a window washer on a scooter.
really?
Yeah.
That's sort of crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Barclay Prime. Have we been there?
I've never been there. I'm sure you have.
Go.
You went through a red light. That was blatant.
Well, they're all lined up for park.
Yeah, everybody loves park. Oh. Oh man, Jesus fucking Christ!
Get
No! Did she touch me?
You better check it and make sure she did.
I'm gonna. Hey, you ought to look for your bombing. There we go. Don't enjoy.